Now let's have a look at wireless BadUSBs, so those that can be controlled using Wi-Fi or similar technology. I myself actually made a project for this called Wi-Fi duck. And yeah, it's a BadUSB which hosts a Wi-Fi access point and a web interface through which you can control it. When you plug it in, it creates a network you can connect to. You then open the web interface in the browser, and there you can add, edit, or execute scripts. The web interface looks like this. It's very straightforward. You have a list of scripts and a text editor. You can add, delete, rename, edit, or run these scripts. The major advantage here is that you can easily test and edit scripts because you never need to compile them or put them onto a SD card first. You can do all of that through the Wi-Fi connection. Like with other projects of mine, I collaborated with DStyke to make a board for this project that you can actually buy. It's $27, and as I said, you can control it through the web interface, so no SD card needed. And of course, you can save and edit multiple scripts. It's fully open source and features a RGB LED, which you can also control through the scripting language. One disadvantage is that it also doesn't support acting as a flash drive, it's just a keyboard. But this isn't the only wireless BadUSB. Maltronics is at it again with their Malduino W. It's actually based on the Wi-Fi duck firmware, so I will play their product video for you now, since it's a good summary not just for the Malduino's features, but also of those from the Wi-Fi duck as well.
Malduino W is the wireless BadUSB. It comes in a sleek metallic black case with USB type A and C at either end, so there's no computer he won't fit in. Plug him in and he'll spring to life, spawning his very own Wi-Fi hotspot. Connect using any device, be that laptop, tablet, phone or computer. Once connected, navigate to his web interface in a browser. Now this is Malduino W's control panel. Here you can store a library of potentially thousands of BadUSB scripts. We've made it super easy to create and edit scripts within the interface itself. You can also run any of your scripts at will. Here I'm running a simple Rickroll script straight from my iPhone. With Malduino W, you can say goodbye to reprogramming your BadUSB for each new script, or even for each new keyboard language, as now you can specify the keyboard layout to use on the very first line of the script itself. You can even control the RGB LED from within the script, or just turn it off for extra stealthiness. You can even select a script to be auto-run on plugin, just like a normal BadUSB. Malduino W uses a generic BadUSB script, meaning it appears to the host computer as a keyboard and simply types out your scripts at superhuman speeds, so it can do anything on a target PC in just a matter of seconds. The scripting language is really easy to use and can be learnt in just 5 minutes. We even have some scripting basics right here in the control panel, so you will never forget a command. And if you don't feel like writing out your own scripts, there are thousands of compatible scripts available freely online. Not only is Malduino W reliable, but it also looks stunning in this metallic black finish, whilst maintaining a minimalist incognito design, and being super functional with its dual type A and C ports. Malduino W is available now at maltronics.com.
As you see, it's really kinda neat. Maltronics makes this. They are based in the UK. The product costs £44, and as I said, it runs the Wi-Fi duck firmware. So all the great things about that apply to this product too. But the Malduino W goes even further by adding a premium case and allowing you to plug it into USB-C ports as well. And like with the classic Malduino, I'm involved in the development, so if you decide to purchase one, you will also support me. But sadly, it also doesn't feature a flash drive mode, at least at the moment. Of course, there are more projects like this. One more that I want to highlight here is the WIT injector. It's also an open source project and it's popular due to its low price point. It runs the ESploit v2 firmware, which works similarly to the Wi-Fi duck by spawning an access point and offering a web interface, which you can see here, to control it. The hardware is made by the Chinese company April Brother and costs $19.50, though I've seen the price change often, so this might have already been changed by now. But yeah, it's running in open source firmware and can be controlled through Wi-Fi. So just like the Wi-Fi duck, it doesn't need a microSD card. But it also can't act as a flash drive and has no RGB LED.